Matũũra-inĩ maingĩ arĩmi a macani makĩria kiumia kĩu kĩrathirire makoretwo makĩrũrũngana magĩtetia ũnyihu wa mbonathi iria iramakinyĩra kĩmera gĩkĩ makiuga nĩ nini. No mũnini wa President ũrĩa ũkoretwo agĩtongoria mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ augĩte kĩmera gĩkĩ arĩmi nĩ mahetwo mbonathi njegega.
The tea bonus for this year, if you look at a factory called Kaba, last year the bonus was 41 shillings. Today it is 50 this year. In Kagwe, in Lari, it was 44. Now it is 44.25. In Theta it was 42, it is 50. In Gachagua it was 40, it is 46. I can say that we are having an increase in terms of bonus.
Augĩte kũrĩa kũrĩ na makaya ma arĩmi nĩ mabatie gũikara thĩ na arũgamĩrĩri ao, akĩorota arũgamĩrĩri a macani akiuga nĩo maraitanga mbeca cia arĩmi na ng'endo cia mahinda kwa mahinda.
Where we have challenges, and you have seen many demonstrations, again those demonstrations are part of the reforms that we have made of educating the farmer.
Right.
It is where the tea directors have increased the cost of production. They are having too many travels, they are having too many allowances, so the cost of production is eating on the profit of the tea farmer.
Gachagua nĩ ateteire mogarũrũku marĩa akinyanĩirie rũhonge-inĩ rwa macani akiuga ona mũhatĩkano wa macani ũrĩa ũkoretwo thoko-inĩ ya Mũmbatha nĩ ũthirĩte.
For the avoidance of doubt, all the tea from the Mount Kenya region, that is called the Eastern region, has been sold because of very high quality. Where we have had a challenge is tea from the Western region, Kericho, Bomet, Nandi. Because what happened is that they put a reserve price. The reserve price was too high against the quality. And therefore, the stocks were not moving. I went there and we have removed the reserve price, brought it a little bit down so that the stocks can...
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ken Macharia.